So in today's video I'll be doing my perfect makeup, simple makeup, perfect flawless simple makeup. It's around that category for beginners. Let me start off by telling you I am no way a makeup artist, a professional makeup. I barely know how to do makeup on myself, and I barely know how to put on makeup on my friends, but yet still they're asking me, so why not? Everybody always compliments me on my makeup and especially my nose snatching and stuff, but these are all techniques that I've learned on YouTube from persons like Jackie Aina and Patricia Bright and Desi Perkins and Katie and Nikki's tutorial and these different people. So I just sit and watch videos upon videos upon videos, and that's how I learn my technique. I have no sort of training, well I kind of do, but that training made no sense because I already knew what I was doing, so I just got a certificate. But let me show you guys how I do my makeup. So I've already done my brows because I have 2 videos already on my channel with how I did my brows. I will link them down below, and I'll also put a tag somewhere on the screen so you guys can click and watch those videos if you haven't seen it. I've already primed and toned my skin with my Witch Hazel face toner. The next thing I'm going to do is moisturize my face with my St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Lasting Moisturizer, just to get your face moisturized. Well, you see, for me, I have dry to combination skin, so this kind of helps balances everything out. So what I do is that I warm up the product in my hands like this, and I just follow my skin. Let me open up my mirror. I just follow. I love the face cream and I rub it on my eyes as well because it has everything. Collagen, yeah, skin. And then bring it down my neck as well. And you can put that's not put in here. So the other thing that I use, the steps that I use, you don't have to, but you can. I use the milk of magnesia. This is the Philips milk of magnesia. It helps to keep your makeup on longer. It helps prime your skin and block out whatever pores needs to be blocked. I'm just gonna put it on my face where I get oily fast. And we're gonna let that dry. So while this dry down, I'm just going to take my foundation. This is the Black Opal foundation, the true color in the color Black Walnut. Now I'm going to sprinkle it on my mirror. This is the pump. Kind of finishing. Indiana, you're in Indiana. You can get this from the American store. You can also get this from Sensation Beauty or but it's the famous makeup artist in Guyana, Renee Chester. You can get it from her as well. And now I'm going to use my foundation brush. This is the second time using this brush. I used it last makeup. And this is the BS Small Foundation Brush. It's a flat head brush. Just going to dip it and put it over my face. Just gonna bring that down my neck. Ensure you catch your ears, guys. We're going for a full coverage from weekend. So, when I finish with my brush, I take a damn beauty blender and I just try to make my face look airbrush as possible. But as you can see, by just putting the concealer right here, it kind of drags and still brightens up the corner without using too much product. I'm just gonna let my nose bridge sit a bit. I'm now going to take my black opal powder. It's a translucent powder. It has no color. It's the invisible oil blocking powder. I love this powder. A little bit goes a long way. I'm just going to use that to set under my eyes and the rest of my face. So what I like to do, I learned this from Melissa Ashley, is when I pounce my foundation, when I pounce my beauty blender onto that powder, I just take the excess in the back of my hands on oil paper, just so that you can get a smooth transition. You put a thin layer, slow and steady wins the race. Don't put it here, put it out. And if you want to highlight it just a bit more, you're just going to put a little bit more of the powder underneath your eyes. Just a slight tickle layer, and then you wipe it off. I'm going to use the other side of this beauty blender and just blend my nose. And the same method. So we're going to highlight the rest of the face. So we're just going to powder the rest of the face, set the rest of the face, because I'm not doing a contour, but more so of a bronze effect. I'm using that same invisible powder. At the same time, I'm dusting only on my head. Because like I said, I am not big. Set your forehead. You see, skin is looking. So, because my foundation kind of take off some of my eyebrows, not too much, I'm just going to take my spoolie and just define it back a bit. now going to use the Profusion contour kit. It looks like this. This is my while. All of my stuff. Anyhow, I'm going to use Java. And Every. Now I'm going to use Moonstone and Java. And the brush that I'm using is my Too Faced contour brush. Let me just set this down because if you guys can see, some of my products have one of the highlighter the champagne highlighter, which is like mostly for lighter skin. It broke, so it's all over this. I'm mixing the two and I'm just going to go where you normally contour. I'm going to take Java, which you take Java and a small fluffy angle brush to contour my nose. So when you're contouring your nose, to get that snatched effect, you're just going to come from your eyebrow down. Before we finish off the face, I don't have blushes. I never really liked it. I think I probably have one blush and that's the Man's blush. I can't remember the name, but that's the only blush I have. I'm not going to use that because I've been loving the Perception palette by Colourpop and Makeup by Shayla. And my favorite combination for blush is Revenge and Thick. I'm just going to use that, blend the two together. Just blend it up with the bronzer or your contour. Go. So I'm gonna use the highlight in this here Frown Glimmer. I really like it. With this small fan brush, I'm just gonna highlight this. Small, simple highlights. I'm gonna highlight here. Nose. Let's use a ring finger for that. Okay. We're going to give our crease a little bit of definition. Nothing much, nothing fancy, just a little bit. I'm going to use my Murphy blending brush, and from this Perception palette, I'm going to mix Culture and Tic. And I'm just going to go into my crease. The key to flawless makeup is blending. Just to give a little color to my eyes. Like I'm dusting it all over my lid, but mostly on my crease. of revenge. Focus it more on the outer part and then drag it. I'm going to use mascara by MAC in the color black, I'm assuming. I'm just going to And for the last finishing touch, I'm just going to put on some lip gloss and lipstick. I'm using the LA Girl lipstick in the color Teddy Bear. It's a pinky nude. And then I'm going to put on my NK lip balm in the color Rose Hip. It's white and it's infused with oil. And there you have it, guys, my simple, everyday, flawless makeup routine for beginners. It can't get simpler than this. This is how I do it. I probably might do a more in-depth, probably sections of my videos where I give you how I get flawless base, and then I probably might do an in-depth how I do my eyes, my eye makeup, and how to apply perfect lip, a perfect nude lip or something. I don't know if you guys want to see that, but please let me know in the comments down below. If you stay this far through my video, you come to an end. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new, welcome to the KC family. I love you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also click on the notification bell so you can be updated every time I post a new video. I appreciate you guys for staying and sticking with me. Guys, I love you. See you in the next one.